Because it's so adaptable, the Bravo system will serve your child well from birth until he or she has outgrown strollers altogether. It may not be the most stylish option, but what this workhorse lacks in flash, it makes up for in practical design and carefully considered features. Notable features. Adaptable design. Because the stroller converts easily from an infant car seat carrier to a traditional stroller, the system can accommodate children from 4 to 60 pounds. Many traditional strollers, including most jogging and umbrella strollers, are unsafe for newborns, and infant car seat carriers are suitable for only kids from birth until they're about a year old, though some may outgrow them sooner. Car seat compatible. Because the stroller can accept the Chicco KeyFit 30 car seat, you can transfer the car seat and your child directly to the stroller without waking him or her or fussing with extra straps. The car seat locks into the stroller frame or into the included plastic car seat base, which you leave mounted in the back seat. Easily collapsible. With the car seat removed, the Bravo can collapse with a single pull of a lever. That one-handed operation means you can do that, even if you're holding your baby and car seat in your other hand. The stroller also stands upright even when collapsed, making it easier to store at home or stash in the corner of a restaurant. Thanks for watching.